Hello, thank you once again for joining us in our training series in this module of developing a forum for our website. Now, we've looked at how to set up a forum. We've also checked on structurizing the forum. We looked at user group. Now, we also look at appearance. Now, today, what we are going to be focusing on is exploring the settings that can be applied to our forums, exploring some of those settings that we can make use of on our forum. Now, for we to adjust the settings, for we to configure or add some things to the settings, we need to go to the dashboard. Now, on the dashboard, to access the dashboard, log into your WP admin using your domain name /WP admin. So once you get to the dashboard, click on the icon to expand the menu for it. Click on the icon. So once you click on the icon, scroll to forum, and once you get to forum, click on settings. Click on settings. Now once you click on settings, now this is the settings. You have to resize the screen. Okay, now I'll zoom in. Now these are the settings that has been supplied to us. Now this forum title is called forum. Now you can change this to anything else. This is where that title is being applied on our forum. This is it here. The word forum you see in that settings, this is it here. So you can change it to anything else. We can call this community platform. Community platform. Just always remember to save whenever you edit anything. So we've typed that. Let's quickly save so that we can see the changes. Save changes. So let's go to the home page once again. Let's reload it. Can you see that it has changed to community platform? It has changed from the word forum to community platform. So there are so many things you can do on the settings section of your forum. Now we can also add description. You can, if you're adding the description, you can just call it managing online discussion. Made easy. Managing online discussion made easy. So there are so many settings that has been provided for us. Look at this. The location. You can choose a different location for your forum. Remember when we were starting this module of creating a forum, I told you that when we install the plugin for the forum, some pages are generated automatically. So part of those page is the forum page. You can see forum location. This forum page was generated automatically. I was not the one who did that myself. I wasn't the one. So this page was generated automatically, and it was selected to be our forum page. So here also you can indicate how many replies in your forum the member will start adding comments and doing so many sort of things. So how many of it should be displayed on the page? No, it will be paginated. You at the bottom you will see 1 2 3 4 next previous. It will be paginated. So how many replies should be displayed before it gets paginated? So by default it is 10. You can choose to increase it that yourself. So topics show per page. How many topic should be displayed in a forum? You know, users can have different challenges, or they can have several opinions, so they can curate different topics. So how many topics should be displayed per page? By default it is set to 20. Can you see? By default it is set to 20. Now create topic for new blog posts in the following forum. Now this can be checked when you a blog post is being created. When you create a topic, that topic can also generate a blog post, and it will have a forum discussion in it. But that doesn't stop the normal comment section that your post has. It will still have the comment section. So okay, you can also choose to allow short codes in your post. You can also allow embed content in your post. For example, you want to embed YouTube videos, or you want to embed Twitter feeds. Those content that are embeddable, you can allow them in your forum. You can also highlight authors, the person who created the topic, their name, picture can be highlighted. So these settings basically, it is well explanatory. You can just go through it. You can show description in forum. You can hide logged. You can hide forum from logged out user. Just like when the educational sector was hidden, because it couldn't verify if I'm among those who are in the user group that has been given access to it. So because it couldn't verify, so therefore the category was hidden from me. So that you can also see it here. Hide forum from logged out user. So you can hide post from logged out user also. Guest can see topic but need to log in into to access the post they contain. So you can choose to check this box. Maybe you want your visitors who are not logged in to be able to see the topic but cannot read the content in that topic that has been created. So there are so many things that you can adjust. There are so many things that you can set in this settings section. You can configure several things. You can see a location for sub forum above topic. You can choose make it to be at the below, or you should be both above and below, depending on your choice. You can either also choose that approves needed for new topics from. Maybe you allow guests to submit a topic. You can choose to make it to be approved, and the post should be, or maybe. So when you are creating your forum, you need to understand what are the settings, what are the privileges you want to give to your user, both logged in user or guest users. And also there are more to settings that you can work on. There are more to the settings. Click on each of these tab. Each of these tab has so many sections that you can explore to give your forum the expected settings to make it well organized. Clicking on the next one, features. Can you see? I click on this plug icon to get the features. You can see enable avatar, enable reaction, show username in reaction. If enabled, the names of the user who have reacted to a post are shown. So you can, if you want all this to be displayed in your forum, you can check the box, and if there is anyone that you don't want on your forum, you just click on that box, and always make sure you click on the save changes button, because if that button is not clicked, the changes will not be applied because it will be stored into the database. So go through each of these sections, go through each of these go through each of these sections on your left sidebar to see what you want exactly. SEO, enable SEO, URL friendly, the search engine optimization. Now, Asgaros, the plugin we installed, also has done a lot of job in selecting those things that should be in place by default. They've helped out. So you going ahead in exploring the settings and on checking some boxes or changing some things, it is you are doing those things because you understand what you are doing. If there's anything you don't understand, I will advise you to just stick to the defaults that the plugin author has selected, because you changing the settings, you changing some things without your understanding of what is going on there, it is not good enough. It is not good enough. So you can choose so many things. Look at this. Look at this section. The user group. Now, can you see member list? Enable member list. Show member list to logged in user only. Hide site admin in members list. Now, all these things, you can choose to check all these boxes. You can choose to check them if you want them to be applied to your forum. So, and also remember, whenever you are checking any boxes or you are changing some words or some sentences, always remember to click on save settings, because if save settings is not being clicked, anything you've added will not be stored into the database. So click on the save settings. So I believe with this class today, you've learned a lot, and try as much as possible to explore different sections, explore different areas of your WordPress website. You can use your forum, you can even try to change several things, but my advice is whatever you are changing, always know what you are doing. And should in case you have any challenge, should in case you are some difficulties, ask in the discussion section, and other community members will help out. And also, Google is your friend. Google has so many resources. A challenge you are facing, so many other people also might have faced similar challenge. So instead of you getting yourself overwhelmed or getting yourself depressed because of the challenges you are encountering because of one thing or the other on your platform, why not consult those who also have encountered similar challenge? So on the discussion section of this platform, you will meet so many members who are ready to help, and also Google has so many resources that can help you out in getting things done. So thank you for your time, thank you for the continuity of this training, and I really appreciate your focus, your determination, and also, as you have been doing before, paying attention, don't stop, and also your concentration, don't let it be reduced. So, and if you have not subscribed to our channel, kindly do so now. Click the notification bell icon, and you sh- you will be seen in our next class. And now in the next class, we are going to be creating topics. We've explored how to create a forum. We've designed the forum by giving appearances. We've set the user group. Now let us create a topic, add some comments into our forum, and that will be our focus in our next class. So thank you for your time. Stay blessed and see you other time.